Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you what we believe is the best GPS navigation system with lifetime maps, the 9-inch GPS Navigator for car, truck, and RV. If you're a long-haul trucker, RV adventurer, or just someone who loves reliable directions without relying on phone signal, this device is about to become your favorite travel companion. Inside the box, you get the GPS unit itself, a large 9-inch touchscreen that's crystal clear and ultra-responsive. It also comes with a mount bracket, car charger, USB cable, and a user manual. Everything you need to get started is right here, simple and travel-ready. Mounting the device is a breeze with the included bracket. Just pop it on your dashboard or windshield, plug it into your cigarette lighter, and you're good to go. It powers on quickly, and the user interface is intuitive, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. That means your routes will always reflect new roads, updated speed limits, and the latest traffic patterns. Typing in your destination is simple thanks to the large screen and clear keypad. Once you're set, the turn-by-turn navigation kicks in, and yes, it speaks real voice directions. That means you get clear instructions like, turn left in 500 feet, instead of just beeps and tones. But here's where this GPS really shines, especially for truckers and RV drivers. It allows you to input your vehicle's size and weight to calculate a safe and optimal route. That means no more getting stuck on weight-restricted roads or under low-clearance bridges. It also includes speed and red light camera warnings. As you approach one, the GPS will give you a heads-up, helping you stay safe and avoid costly tickets. And if you tend to have a lead foot, there's also a speed limit reminder with real-time alerts. The screen remains bright and readable even in direct sunlight, and night mode kicks in automatically when it gets dark. The internal speaker is loud and clear, so you won't miss a direction even with music playing or windows down. Battery life is solid, but it's primarily designed to be used while plugged in, which is standard for these types of GPS units. And if you're worried about updates, don't be. Just connect it to your computer via USB, go to the official update site, and keep your maps fresh year after year. If you're tired of draining your phone battery on road trips, if you travel through areas with weak cell signal, or if you just want a dependable, purpose-built navigation tool with a massive screen, this is your guy. With lifetime maps, real voice guidance, safety alerts, and truck, RV routing, it delivers serious value. If you're ready to upgrade your travel experience, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you on the next ride.